So we're gonna do a flyer right here, and we're gonna just get right into it. This is what we're gonna create, and let me just back up here. So we've learned quite a few things so far, and now we're gonna bring all of that together and just create. We're gonna open up a new file here, set it up as we've done before. Get it CMYK, and we're gonna name it later. We're just gonna say OK. Got our file here, and now I took the liberty of actually creating the selection already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and drag it over here. From our previous tutorials, you already know how to make a selection. You already know how to refine the selection, and so now we're just gonna take this and drag it over here. Again, we're creating these videos to get you up and going as fast as possible, because there's so many different things you can do with this program. It can be frustrating at times, and right now I just dragged and dropped a background image that I'm going to use, and I'm going to change that layer and drop it, make sure it's on the back. Remember, if you remember the understanding layers section of it, and we're going to change the size here by using Control T, dragging it. Remember to hold Shift. And right now I'm just going to work on the composition a little bit where I want it exactly. Once I'm set, I just hit enter, and I'm going to click on my new one, my new image, and hit Control T, and I want to enlarge it. Get the placement right. I'm going to enlarge it a little bit more. Okay. Hit enter, drag it over. What I'm going to do next is just drag out this black by using my marquee tool. And I'm just going to actually, instead of trying to just create it, I'm just going to copy it and bring it over some and stretch it out. And I do that with my marquee tool, hitting Control J to copy it. Then I'm just going to go to my move tool, which is my V, shortcut V, and just drag this over. I hold Shift right here just to keep it in the same line, alignment right. Hit Control T here to transform it. I'm not so much concerned about it being proportioned right here, so I'm just going to drag it out. When I'm satisfied, I'll just hit enter. So now I want to get into my type here. I'm going to type my son's name here, Kitarian. But what I'm going to do is, with these color chips right here, just flip it and turn it to white. Got my move tool again, and I'm actually going to enlarge this a lot more up in the header. I can change my type here, and I also can change, regular, bold, the point width. Drag it down here a little bit. And this is basically the process you will go through every time you do a flyer or a banner or a web page. They're all pretty much the same. Let's create this as a winter bash. Just some kind of party that he's hosting. Yeah, date. The who, what, when, where. Let's get that all down here. Let me change the type up for this next set of instructions, or the next piece of info. Oh, gotta make sure that I type it out first, then I can change it. I hope this piece is very informative for you. You can definitely hit me up on my blog at davisca8.wordpress.com, or just shoot me an email at info@cdesign8.com and let me know what you think about it, this whole tutorial program. And so right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a white space right here, but I'm going to start it on a new layer. I'm just going to control backspace, which deletes, or actually it fills in that color with the background color. Put this on the right layer, put it behind my sun, and now I'm pretty much ready to type in my other info. Well, let me resize it first a little bit.